Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can invite someone to your workspaces on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. Head over to Microsoft Loop. Next, log into your account and select Workspaces on the left hand side. And here navigate to the workspace you would like to use. I will go with this one. And here at the top next to the workspace's name you will see that Invite and Manage Members button. Click into it. Below you will see a list of members inside your workspace. And here simply enter the username of the Microsoft user, for example, your contact or co-editor, to send an invitation. And you may do that by clicking into that invite button here. And that's basically it. You will see the user listed below as a suggestion. Click into the given user, send the invitation, and wait for the invitation to the workspace to be either accepted or to be declined. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.